How many people here know someone who smokes marijuana? I personally know many people who smoke marijuana, especially people under the age of 18. This being said, did you know that teen marijuana use has increased by 245% or increased to 1 in 7 teens over the past 20 years, according to the NIDA? Now, I know you all may be curious on how marijuana use affects the brain, how it affects the body, and its use amongst teenagers. Today, we will look at these questions. First, let's look at how marijuana use affects the brain. For the brain, marijuana affects it in both positive and negative ways. The positive ways are that marijuana use is linked to less anxiety and stress, which results in a longer lifespan, according to the CDC. The negative effects of marijuana on the brain is that lifetime use of it can directly result in psychosis, specifically schizophrenia. And did you know that 8% of people diagnosed with schizophrenia have reported lifetime use? Next, let's look at if marijuana use is dangerous. Daily marijuana use results in permanent IQ loss, as much as 8 points, and damage to tissues, small blood vessels, and lungs. Also, studies link daily use to depression and psychotic episodes, and it directly affects your timing, movement, attention span, memory, and learning outcomes. Lastly, we will be looking at marijuana use amongst teenagers, according to the SAM-HSA, or the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration. 1 in 7 people who start using the drug before 18 can and will become addicted, and that number is 1 in 10 in adults. And according to a study in 2019 by Columbia University, 37% of U.S. high school students have reported use of marijuana in the past 30 days. Vaping marijuana has also become popular in teens, rising by 18% in just 3 years. In conclusion, we now know the positive and negative ways marijuana use affects the body and brain, and that use is rising with no signs of slowing down. We also now know that consuming weed has both dangerous and beneficial effects. Thank you.